Poppin' and poppin' equals extra. Poppin' candy freeze from Taco Bell.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Rhonda, better known as Hotmess Mama MD, and over here is my beautiful daughter, Haley, aka Love Haley,
yes.
Which means she has her own YouTube channel. So you know you want to go check her out, and I'm going to leave in the description box the link to her channel, so go show her some love. On today's video, it's another edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. So mine finally arrived. Haley's has been here for like over a week probably. Yeah. pretty much like over a week. So I've been waiting on mine. It finally arrived. She peeked, of course, and
I can't help it.
She already, you know, let me know that hers was pretty doggone amazing.
She's gonna be really upset if she didn't get one of these items or something similar at least.
Yeah, so this may be a Jerry Springer episode.
Okay.
So before we get into it, a little bit about what Ipsy is. This is a monthly subscription service
that is personalized to each person.
Yes. Well, okay. If you're honest to your profile, I am not. I am going to be 41 in June, and my bags were always horrible, so I switched it and said I'm like 20, and now my bags have been pretty doggone amazing. So we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. But there are two options with Ipsy. You can get the Glam Bag Plus, which that video should hopefully have gone up Friday. I'm hoping this video goes up Monday. That is like $25 plus tax. Those are full-size products. This is more so deluxe size samples. Sometimes you get a full-size product in there.
I got a full-size product in here.
Okay, let's just get into this because she's teasing me.
It's really good. Okay. The bags are so cute. So it's International Women's Month or Women's Appreciation. I don't know. Women, we rock. We're awesome. And it says, and off she went to change the world, which is so cute and inspirational. And it's rose gold with the blue zipper. I love it. It's great. I love it.
Good.
Okay. I'm not going to start off with it because...
Oh, that's what I was wanting. Like, get it out of the way.
So, the first thing I got is a illuminating diamond peel off mask, and it's by the brand I Do Care, like D-E-W, like do E, you know. And it's a disco kitten, and it's like this.
Is that the glitter sparkle stuff?
It's like a white iridescent looking thing. I already opened it because, yeah, I was so excited. Whoop! Oh, I forgot there's not a cap on that. It's white iridescent.
Does it smell?
Like clean.
Yeah, my sniffer doesn't work that well. Sorry about the camera. It's been like doing its own thing, guys. So you get to see the ring light in the background. And I wasn't picking my nose. I just was doing this. I'm going to focus. Oh, it's my turn.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, would you look at that? I got the exact same thing.
Yay.
Okay. I don't know. Peel off masks are freaking me out though. Because I was excited. Because it like hurts to peel. But I was excited we could do like the mask that I got in my Boxy Luxe, but it's a peel off, and people are saying it's really painful.
Oh, I like peel off.
I don't mind them in my T-zone.
Yeah, once they get up to like this top section and like down here, it hurts.
Yeah. So, yeah, mine's exactly the same. It's really pretty. Does it really peel? Wonder.
Well, I have one like Target that's like blue. It's from Target, and it's blue, and it's not the same brand, but it's like the same look. It looks the same, and it doesn't hurt at all to peel off. It's my favorite.
It's a Korean product, and it's illuminating and smoothing, so, okay.
Okay, I'm going to do my next item. So my next item is a makeup brush.
Oh, that's a pretty one.
And it's,
is that Miss Glam, S.A. Glam or something?
SL Miss Glam?
Yeah, that's it.
And this is a short shader brush, so it's, you know, a short shader brush. I'll take it out of the wrapper. Alright, you convinced me.
I'm telling you guys, like, subscription services are like the best way to up your brushes. Yeah, your brush collection.
This little brush so you can like smudge under your eye, you know.
I love those. I love the little accents. Okay, so my next item. Oh yay!
Oh, you love that.
I do. This
That's
is
pretty cool too. Look.
Yeah, the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Bum Bum Cream. Okay, apparently it's Boom Boom. I call it Bum Bum because I enunciate the way I see the letters, and even then sometimes it's questionable. So this stuff is amazing. It smells delicious. So
you can throw that in your purse.
Yes.
So my next item is a Ciate London Lip Luster in the color Kiss Me, and it's like this bright, sparkly pink.
Now, is it real like Barbie pink, or is it?
I haven't swatched it yet. I think it's like cleary.
Oh, I love that.
Oh my gosh, I love it. It's like a pink tint with glitter. And it's a gloss, and it's
That's
so
pretty.
Cute. Focus on me. Can you guys tell that I'm tanner? Look, this is me now. This was me before.
She's back from Florida.
After. Oh wait.
Oh, sure enough, it does say it's National Women's Month. Is it really? March is?
Yes.
Oh, and look at that. It tells me what's in it.
Yeah,
I don't want to keep peeking. Okay, so it's my turn, right? Yeah.
You didn't get it. Sorry, Mom.
My next item is the Curl Imperial High Definition Curling Mascara. Who's this by? How do you say that? Seraphine Botanicals?
Yeah, that sounds right.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, I like mascara. I'm trying not to peek, but...
Okay, you won't be able to tell. My next one is a single eyeshadow. It's a Lush eyeshadow. Oh, wait, no. It's Poolside IB Hawaii Beauty. I think it's called Poolside.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
I know, it looks like a little tart blush. It's called Get Soaked. And it's super cute. It looks like this. Wait, maybe
you could almost do an eyeshadow.
Yeah, it's an eyeshadow.
Blush and eyeshadow, though.
I know, that's why I was second guessing. I'm like, wait, is this actually a blush?
Oh yeah, that would be pretty for both.
Oh, what happened? Why is it frozen?
Okay, so, sorry guys, the camera like froze.
Yeah. This is it right here. It's very pretty and nice, and I like it a lot.
Yeah, that is pretty. Okay, so my last item is a Ciate London Lip Luster in the shade Wildfire. Oh.
What didn't smell right?
Oh yes, I'm loving that. It's
so
like a nice.
It's like a pop of color, but it's like her comfort zone.
Yes. We're doing it.
Okay, you ready for my last
That's my
item?
kind of color. Oh boy, here we go. Ready? Wait, hold on.
You should have one more item.
No, that's it.
Really?
That's
Is there
really.
anything in your bag? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh. Oh, I do have something in my bag.
You do that really quick. This is the very best product for the very last.
Oh, I got a brush. This is by. Is it?
Oh, it's a quiche.
Quiche? What?
I thought it said Chloe, and then I realized the.
I called it quiche. It's not quiche. There we go. It's a nice little blush brush. Okay, ready? Hold on. Drum roll, please. Go ahead for all you ones out there that are going to call me a salty snot. Just hit that thumbs down button now. Because, yes, this mom's probably about to get jealous.
Oh, for highlighter.
Oh my
And the
gosh.
color is Star Island.
Holy crap. Why didn't I get that? Was that all your items?
Yeah.
Dude, that was good. Haley won. Let me see it. That's really pretty.
Right.
Oh, that's so pretty. That's totally your shade too. I think on me it would look ashy.
That's probably why I didn't get it, because I'm pale.
So only the pale people got it. Did all the pale people get this? This is the highlighter Star Island by Ofra.
Oh, my pale people, where you at?
That's really pretty. But yeah, I think that on me it would probably...
Oh, what's this? Ooh.
Stop making me love it. Does it show up?
Yeah,
I can't see.
It looks really good. You don't like it?
No, I do like it.
I didn't blend it very good though, so you might want
No, the fact that I was really hoping it was not going to match me, but it... Oh my... Who is she?
Ooh, look at that glazed donut.
I want a glazed donut.
Oh, me too.
But I'm keto, so no. No! No!
That sucks. I'm so sorry for you. But then again, you do choose to do keto, so.
Oh my...
She's beautiful.
Darn it, Ipsy! Oh, that is really pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. Okay, well, hands down, Haley totally won. I mean, look at that on your nose. You turn and it's like, you got like the James Charles kicking right through the center.
But also my highlighter was already like pretty poppin' before I came here, so. Poppin' equals extra poppin' candy freeze from Taco Bell.
What was that? Poppin' candy deep freeze from Taco Bell. I don't know.
No,
Okay, guys. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Before we end today's video, I do want to make sure to give a Notification Squad shout out. If you want to be a part of the Notification Squad, it's really easy. Just make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Click that little notification bell 2 times and then leave me a comment down below. Hashtag Notification Squad, hashtag Team Hotmess for a chance at a shout out in a future video. So as soon as it pulls up and shows me people, there we go. It takes its time. I have slow Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I'm so tan now.
Yeah, you have like a nice golden.
I am.
And I'm loving the eye look so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so today's Notification Squad shout out does go to Stephanie Lynn, Nicole, is it Roots? R-U-I-Z, sorry, and Misty Telling. Thank you guys so much for being a part of the Notification Squad, for being subscribed to my channel, and for supporting my channel. I greatly appreciate every single one of y'all who take time out of your day to sit here and watch my videos and to click that like button. Those I really appreciate. And leaving comments down below, all of that good stuff, and of course supporting Hailey's channel as well. You're like growing really fast.
I haven't checked my subscriber count.
You're doing really good. I check it every so often for you, and I'm like, woo, 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 woo. If you by chance are interested in a Ipsy subscription bag, I will leave my referral link down below for you guys. It's not a sponsored affiliated video or anything. It's just the little referral link that you get when you go ahead and you sign up so you can share it with your friends or whatnot. So that will be listed down below in my description box. You know everyone's going to ask what's on your face because your makeup is popping.
Well, I'm just going to have to do a video recreating this look song because you're not going to my channel.
Oh, okay. You don't want to tell them what?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, it's a surprise, so you better check my description box
Duh.
and follow Hailey over on her channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter because why not, right? Come on. Us 40-year-olds, we need support and love and all that good stuff over on the Instagram and the Twitter. So show me some love over there. Follow me on my second channel. I do have Hotmess Mama Vlogs channel, and that'll be linked down below for you guys. If you're interested what's on my face, I don't know. I may try and list it. I may not. Actually, I'm probably not because it's the end of the day and I think half of it's worn off. So, okay. Anyways, y'all, until next time, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye. It's hot. I'm sweating, girl.